everyone, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching part 3 or episode 3 of my series that I've started, Makeup for the Beginner. And today we're going to be talking about foundation. So the purpose of my series that I've started is to assist the beginner with makeup, and there are so many different products to choose from out there, and by no means I'm not promoting any brands. All I'm trying to do is assist people on getting the proper makeup that they need, especially if you're starting out with makeup and without wasting time and money. So there's many different products that cater for different skin types, and that is what I'm going to be assisting you guys with. And in my other videos I've mentioned there's 4 different skin types. It's your oily, your combination, your dry, and your normal skin type. Then obviously you get acne prone skin, that sort of thing. It more, I would say, relates to oily skin, but that's a topic for another day. So in terms of foundation, you get everything from lightweight or BB cream type foundations to full coverage. Myself, because I had acne as a teenager, I prefer full coverage. And there's different types. There's oil free, so I would suggest for the people with oily skin that you get an oil free foundation. I would suggest that you get an oil free foundation if you have oily skin. Also matte, there's matte types of foundation, which is quite awesome. I personally, because my skin is more dry in winter than in summer, I would kind of use my mattes more in summertime, and not necessarily, because sometimes you want a dewy look as well. So I have satin types of foundation as well, which I use throughout. Also more so in, I would use the satin types more in winter because my skin is very dry in winter. So now this is an example of oil free, and there's another one over there with oil free, and then there's your matte types of foundation, which is quite awesome. These are all my products that I've bought. This video is not sponsored. So in terms of budget range, there's many different types that cater for different budgets. And like I said, I'm not promoting any brands, so I'm not going to mention any names, but just have a look when you are in a store. These are drugstore products, just by the way. These are not your luxury lines. So I'm just giving advice for the normal person. If you're a student, young person, older person, if you felt that makeup never worked for you before, this is the purpose of the series, to assist you with makeup. And so there's many different options. There's your oil free, there's your matte, your satin type, dewy look ones. And I would suggest, depending on your skin type, if you're starting out with makeup, I would suggest that you get one foundation. Also, you need to match up your foundation, and for that purpose, or when you install, how you check, you use, not, okay, this lighting is not showing, but my arms are darker than the rest of my body. Obviously, especially even this arm is darker because I'm in South Africa, so this arm is darker. And this one even, because, oh gosh, because we drive on the right hand side of the car, so the sun obviously gets this arm more. So use the inside when you're matching foundation. When you're looking for foundation, don't smudge on the outer side of your arm. On the inside will be lighter. This will basically be the same color as your skin. So when you're matching up foundation, when you're looking for a foundation that matches your skin, use the inside of your arm, okay, to match up your skin color for your face. Then in terms of texture, obviously you should know by now the type of skin that you have, and I would look at getting something that is, like I said, if you have oily skin, get something oil free. It doesn't have to be matte necessarily, but oil free, because that will contribute to your problem if you have oily skin. In terms of dry skin, you get hydrating. This is the one I did not mention. You get hydrating foundations as well. In my previous video I spoke on primers, which can also play a very important role. Even the video before that, I spoke on moisturizers and serums that you can apply underneath your primer before you even start your makeup process. Really important. Skincare is so important, guys, because you can put on as much makeup as you want, but when you take that makeup off, you want to feel just as confident as when you had it on. And for that reason, or in order to achieve that, you need to take care of your skin. And myself, to clear up my skin took me such a long time, guys. I had acne throughout high school, and even after high school, I still had scarring for so long. It only cleared up about not even 2 years ago for myself, and it was a journey. So your skin is a journey, and we need to embrace it. We need to take care of it, and that is why I'm doing this episode, you know. So it's not just in terms of makeup. You need to focus on your skin type as well. So if you have dry skin, get yourself a hydrating primer, and you get different types of ones as well. So even if it's a matte, you can get something that's hydrating, or you can treat it. So you can treat it before in terms of the primer. You can get a hydrating primer, you can add moisturizer or serum underneath as well. But I'm doing episodes, so if there's a specific type that you're looking for, like for example, if you're looking for a primer, please watch my previous video about primer, and that will give you more details in terms of what you need to look out for. And that was my video on foundation, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do watch the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.